ரொம்ப நன்றி வரத்துக்கு. I just came back from an event in France. That was the last chance qualification for the Olympics for sailing, and I finally did the job. So this will be my rendavathu Olympic Games. So I go try to do my best. So the last chance regatta, I had a few chances last year to qualify in the Asian Games and Asian Championships that I performed badly. So now I knew I had what it takes to win, and I didn't quite win, but I definitely did the job and I came away with the qualification. But the goal now is, because it's my second Olympics, the goal is to perform well, make top 10, top 20 at least. So that is the goal.
Quality was the first thing to say. Again, like first multiple how does it feel?
It feels amazing. It feels incredible to have the second chance to represent India. Now the goal is to try to make the country proud. And I did it. There is also Vishnu, who also made it for the second time. We sacrificed a lot to travel to Europe. We make most of our lives in Europe and train and sail from there. So I think that's given us a platform to do it from, and hopefully now the sailing in India starts to improve more and more for us. I would like to thank, first of all, my parents for believing me as Tamil Nadu Sailing Association, Thomas, but also the support from the central government, from the Sports Authority of India, from the Yachting Association of India.
SDAT. Any help want to government side?
Yes, definitely. We have a lot of help from the government, from SDAT, from WIA, and from SAI. Especially having qualified last time, we got under help from TOPS as well, and it's been a huge boost in our campaign, especially to qualify for the second time. It's helped us to do that. So now we try to do our best to come away with put India on the map of sailing.
ஆக்சுவலாக கடந்த 2-3 ஆண்டுகளாக ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கலாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய சப்போர்ட் இருக்கு கவர்மெண்ட்ல இருந்து. இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஒரு மாதம் முன்னாடி பிரைம் மினிஸ்டரே லெட்டர் எழுதியிருந்தார் இவங்களுக்கு, நல்லா பண்ணுங்க, குவாலிஃபை பண்ணுங்கன்னு, அதை ஒலிம்பிக் ப்ராபபிளுக்கெல்லாம். அந்த மாதிரி என்கரேஜ்மெண்ட்லாம் நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்ததில்லை. அதே மாதிரி தமிழ்நாடுலேயும் வந்துட்டு சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர், ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் மினிஸ்டர் எல்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்க்கு. ஐ திங்க் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வந்து தமிழ்நாட்டிலையும் இந்தியாலையும் வந்து இஸ் கோயிங் டு க்ரோ லைக் எனிதிங்.
செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடனும் துல்லியமாகவும் தெரிந்து கொள்ள சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.